Dear students, welcome to English grammar class. Today in this class, let us discuss about the tenses. How many tenses are there and what are there and example for those tenses. First one, simple present tense. In the simple present tense, for he, she and it, we have to add the yes in the verb. For he, she and it, we have to add yes in the verb. For example, he writes a letter. We have to add yes in write. She plays chess. It makes clothes. Like that. For I, we, you and they, no need to add yes in the verb. I buy flowers. We bring books. You play sitar. They cook food. Like that. For he, she and it, we have to add s in the verb. And I, we, you, they no need to add the s in the verb. So, these are the simple present tense. He writes, she writes. It makes. I buy, we bring, you play, they cook, like that. In the present, simple present tense. In simple past tense, we have to write a V2 form or past tense form of the verb. He wrote a letter. Wrote is the past tense of write. She played chess. Played, past tense of play. It made clothes. Made is the V2 form of make. I bought flowers. Bought is the past tense of buy. We brought books. Past tense of bring is brought. We brought books. They cooked food. You played sitar. So we have to write the verb in the V2 form or past tense form of the verb in the simple past tense. So move on to the next tense. It is simple future tense. In the simple future tense, we have to add will plus V1. He will write a letter. She will play chess. It will make clothes. I will buy flowers. We will bring books. They will cook food. You will play sitar. Like that, we have to write in the simple future tense. We have to add will. He will write a verb. V1 form of the verb in the simple future tense. I will move on to the next. It is present continuous tense. And the present continuous tense for he, she and it, we have to use the helping verb. It is. He is writing. She is writing. It is writing. And for we, you and they, we have to use the helping verb are. We are writing. You are writing. They are writing. And for I, we have to use am. Helping verb. I am writing. I am singing. I am dancing. Like that. Let's see more examples. He is writing a letter. She is playing cricket. It is making clothes. I am buying flowers. We are bringing books. They are cooking food. You are playing sitar. Here, for he, she and it, we use the helping verb is. For I, we use it am. We, they and are, we use the helping verb are. So, these are the present continuous tense. Next, past continuous tense. In the past continuous tense, for I, he, she, it, we have to use was helping verb. I was running. He was sleeping. She was writing. It was barking. For we, you and they, we have to use the helping verb were plus ing. We were sleeping. You were writing. They were walking. See the more examples. He was writing a letter. She was playing cricket. It was making clothes. I was buying flowers. We were bringing books. They were cooking food. You were playing sitar. Here, for he, she, it and I, we have used the helping verb. It is was plus ing. For we, they and you, we have used the helping verb were and ing. So it is in the present past continuous tense. Okay. Next move on to the future continuous tense. In the future continuous tense we have to use will be plus ing. He will be writing a letter. She will be playing cricket. It will be making clothes. I will be buying flowers. We will be bringing books. They will be cooking food. You will be playing sitar. In the future continuous tense, we have to use will be plus ing. I hope you all got this. Next, move on to the present perfect tense. It is very important. In the present perfect tense or in perfect tense, we have to use the V3 form or past participle form of the verb. Here, I, we, you and they, we have to use have plus V3 form. I have written. Written is the V3 form or past participle form of write. So, we have to use written. Seen, sung, like that. I have written. We have written. You have written. They have written, like that. For he, she and it, we have to use has plus V3. He has written. It has written. She has written. Let's see the examples. He has written a letter. She has played chess. It has made clothes. I have bought flowers. We have brought books. You have played sitar. They have cooked food. For he, she and it, we have used your has plus V3. For I, we, you, they, we have to use have plus V3. It is in the present perfect. Next, move on to the past perfect tense. In the past perfect tense, we have to use had plus V3. He had written a letter. She had played chess. It had made clothes. I had bought flowers. It is in the past perfect tense. We had brought books. You had played sitar. They had cooked food. Like that we have to write in the past perfect tense. Move on to the future perfect tense. Will have plus V3. Examples. You will have played sitar. They will have cooked food. We will have brought books. I will have bought flowers. It will have made clothes. She will have played chess. He will have written a letter. We have to use will plus have plus V3 form in the future perfect tense. Next, move on to the present perfect continuous tense. In the present perfect continuous tense, we have to use have been plus ing. For I, we, you, they, we have to use have been ing. I have been writing. We have been writing. You have been writing. They have been writing. For he, she and it, we have to use has been ing. He has been writing. She has been writing. It has been writing. It is in the present perfect continuous tense. Let's see more examples. He has been writing a letter. She has been playing chess. It has been making clothes. I have been buying flowers. We have been bringing books. You have been playing sitar. They have been cooking food. Here, for he, she and it, we have used has been and ing. For I, we, you, they, we have to use have been plus ing. It is in the present perfect continuous tense. And next move on to the past perfect continuous tense. In the past perfect continuous tense, we have to use had been plus ing. He had been writing a letter. She had been playing chess. It had been making clothes. I had been buying flowers. We had been bringing books. You had been playing sitar. They had been cooking food. Like that we have to use had been and ing in the past perfect continuous tense. Next, it is the final tense. It is future perfect continuous tense. In the future perfect continuous tense, we have to use will have been plus ing. He will have been writing a letter. She will have been playing chess. It will have been making clothes. I will have been buying flowers. We will have been bringing books. They will have been cooking food. Like that we have to write the all tenses. It is very important for your all grammar. For example, active voice and passive voice, framing questions, question tag, reported speech or direct and indirect speech. This is useful for everything. So it's very easy also. We have to identify the tense of the sentence in every grammar in English. Let's explain you once. Simple present tense. For he, she, it, we have to add s in the verb. He writes, she writes, it writes, like that. For I, we, you, they, no need to add s in the verb. I buy, she buy, they buy, we buy, like that. Next, in the simple past tense, we have to write V2 form of the verb or past tense form of the verb. He wrote a letter. He wrote, they sang, like that. Next one, simple future tense, we have to use will plus V1. He will write, she will write, they will write, like that. We have to use will plus V1 in the simple future tense. Next, in the present continuous tense, for he, she and it, we have to use is plus ing. He is writing, she is writing, it is writing. Got this? And for we, you and they, we have to use are plus ing. In the present continuous tense, we are writing, you are writing, they are writing. It shows the continuity, ing, is it? Next, for I, we have to use am plus ing. I am writing, I am singing, I am eating, I am dancing, I am watching, like that. So next, move on to the past continuous tense. In the past continuous tense, we have to use was helping verb or were helping verb. For I, he, she, it, we have to use was ing. I was writing, she was dancing, he was playing, it was barking. For he, she, it and I, we have to use was helping verb in the past continuous tense. For we, you and they, we have to use were plus ing. We were writing, you were singing, they were dancing, like that. Okay. In the future continuous tense, we have to write will be plus ing. They will be singing, she will be dancing, we will be writing, like that. We have to write in the future continuous tense, will be plus ing. Present perfect tense. In the present perfect tense, for I, we, you, they, we have to use have plus V3. V3, it is very important and must we have to write in the perfect tense, V3 form of the word or past participle form of the verb. I have written, we have written, you have written, they have written. You can use any verb for this, but we have to must use in the V3 form or past participle form. For he, it and she, we have to use has plus V3. He has written, it has written, she has written. For he, she, it, we have to use has. For I, we, you, they, we have to use what? Have plus V3. Okay, next move on to the past perfect tense. Had plus V3. For past perfect tense, we have to use had. I had written, they had written, we had written, she had written, like that. For future perfect tense, will have plus V3. I will have written, she will have written, they will have written. Like that we can use any verb, but it is in the perfect tense, in the future perfect tense. And present perfect continuous tense, have been plus ing. For I, we, you, they, we have to use have been ing. I have been writing, we have been singing, you have been playing, they have been going. Like that in the present perfect continuous tense. For he, she and it, we have to use has been plus ing. He has been dancing, she has been writing, it has been singing. Next, past perfect continuous tense. In the past perfect continuous tense, we have to use had been plus ing. They had been writing, she had been dancing. So these are past perfect continuous tense. In the future perfect continuous tense, will have been plus ing. They will have been writing. She will have been singing. We will have been dancing. Like that we can write future perfect continuous tense. It is very important, dear students. You have to practice these tenses. Take one example and try to write in all tenses. For example, you take one simple sentence. He writes a letter. She writes a poem. And convert this sentence in all tenses. Present tense, past tense, future tense, present continuous, past continuous, future perfect, future continuous, present perfect, past perfect, future perfect, present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, and future perfect continuous. So like that we can try to write the tenses. It's very important for your active and passive voice, framing questions, questions tag, and also direct and indirect speech, everything. So I hope you all got this, students. Thank you.